Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can freeze a frame on your video with CapCut. Alright, um, select your video you want to edit and I'm just going to video, right, and you can select for the frame you want to freeze. Just swipe to right. I'm just going to freeze for this section and tap on the clip. You can find the freeze button right here. Just click on it so you can get the frame. So just freeze frame. All right, it's basically but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.